A leading brand in watch pieces that pride on being precise, accurate, and strikingly beautiful, Christopher Ward has recently announced the C60 Atoll 300, a pristine addition to the renowned Trident Pro 300 series. Designed specifically for the diving enthusiast who's looking for a timepiece that directly reflects the essence of the ocean itself, the C60 Atoll 300 is turning quite a few heads for casual users and enthusiasts alike. In our video today, we'll see what all the buzz is about and give you a first-hand impression of the watch itself, so without further ado, let's begin.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today
by introducing an exquisite open series collection that brandishes mesmerizing gradient dials that has a seamless transition from light to dark hues. The C60 Atoll 300 offers vibrant lacquer dials that come available in 2 colors: reef blue to resonate with the ocean and shark white to promote that minimal yet intimidating aesthetic, with both variants being a subtle nod to the picturesque atolls found in the Indian Oceans. The mesmerizing dials are strategically enhanced by incorporating color-matched date windows alongside a steel bezel that features a combination of sandblasted and polished surfaces. Alongside, the exceptional timepiece makes room for Christopher Ward's brand new slimline tapered rubber strap, which further amplifies the aquatic appearance and allure. However, for functionality, the C60 Atoll 300 was designed with enigmatic divers in mind and draws direct inspiration from Christopher Ward's super slim C60 Trident Pro 300, with all the exceptional performance they're renowned for intact. With the unique personality, style, and aquatic aesthetic comes a sense of superior legibility, which is a hallmark of the C60 Atoll 300. The lume-filled handset indexes combined guarantee a precise sense of telling time regardless of the lighting condition. The date wheel, on the other hand, is strategically positioned at 6 o'clock, which perfectly matches and resonates with the color of the dial, all while the applied Twin Flags logo at 12 o'clock proves a grand sense of balance and depth to the overall design. Through all that, Christopher Ward did not ease off on the details, as the unidirectional bezel pridefully brandishes an industrially sandblasted finish that produces a beautiful, delicate and striking contrast with the polished and raised numerals the watch comes with. The triangle marker on the bezel is not only a visual accessory but functional as well, courtesy of Super Luminova Grade X1 BLC1, which provides reliable timekeeping even in the darkest of depths. Alongside, the watch also comes with 120 clicks per rotation, which helps the bezel to provide a satisfying and tactical reassurance that serves as a reliable timing aid, which is a result of Christopher Ward's ever-ongoing research and development. With a measurement of 40mm in diameter and 11mm in height, the light catcher case is elegantly crafted that helps the user to accommodate a range of wrist sizes, all while offering an impressive level of water resistance that can go deep up to 300 meters. Flipping the timepiece over, and we can see the screw-down exhibition case back that allows for a detailed and breathtaking view of the masterfully crafted Sellita SW201 automatic movement with a rotor that has the Christopher Ward engraving. The 26-jewel movement brandishes a date wheel, a 4Hz frequency, alongside 38 hours of power reserve with a built-in anti-shock system that effortlessly maintains accuracy while facing any sort of shocks and jolts head-on. Alongside, you'll get Christopher Ward's next-gen bracelet that comes with an improved micro-adjustment mechanism that allows adjustment up to 10mm, including a quick-release system. As a timepiece that embodies the very spirit of the ocean itself, Christopher Ward made sure the C60 Atoll 300 displays an unparalleled level of craftsmanship and performance that brought them global recognition. You can get your hands on the C60 Atoll 300 for $1,095 from the Christopher Ward website and of course selected authorized retailers. So that was our 2 cents on Christopher Ward's C60 Atoll 300. What do you think of this watch? Are you looking forward to getting one for yourself? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.